Hi, I'm Max with 20 Woodwork. Today in this video we're going to show you how we make these display boards or charcuterie boards with these great logos. And we'll show you how we layer multiple colors of epoxy, 2 colors, 3 colors, even up to 5 or more colors. We use Upstart Epoxy's tabletop epoxy, their color creator kits, and their mica powder along with a little bit of a liquid acrylic paint. And we'll show you how we carve a base layer, pour it, let it cure, and we go back and carve second, third, and fourth layers on top of that, and then finish it all with a flood coat. And we'll do 7 of these boards at a time. So I hope you enjoy the video. We start with the glued walnut panel, and we carve the outside shape of the design down to a depth of 0.20. We follow that with a seal coat, trying to get in all the edges to prevent bubbles when we do our first color. Once the seal coat is dry, you can see we're pouring our first color, our base layer. It's whatever color needs to be in the background. In this case, we have a yellow for the Viking, white for the others, and maroon for the Aggie boards. After a night of curing, we can carve out our second pocket and get ready for that color. That carve out only goes down 0.18 because we don't want to expose any new fresh wood. Occasionally we'll use painter's tape or hot glue to create a little barrier or a dam between pockets so that we can actually pour 2 colors on the same design at the same time. Once that second pour is cured, it's on to the third. Again, we carve it out and we carefully pour in a third color into the voids we just created. And we continue to repeat that process until our designs are done. Pour, let cure, carve the next pocket, pour again. When our designs have the colors they need, it's time for flattening with the CNC, and then we're ready to cut out our boards. From here, we give our boards another seal coat, cover all the exposed wood, let that dry overnight, give it a quick sanding, and then it's ready for our final flood coat, which gives it that nice gloss layer over top. And you can see here we're just trying to cover all the edges and the top, and then we watch it for a little bit of heat for any bubbles. And that's it. With a little bit of patience and time between each layer, you can create logos and designs with great detail. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.